Hey guys, so we've got a leaking tap. It looks like the water is leaking out from the bottom. You see if I put my hand here, where the tap screws in, you can see the water's kind of dripping down my hand. Okay, so let's see if we can get that fixed. Okay, so first thing to do is to turn off the water. Check what we've done. So before we remove the tap, let's open it first. So any water that's still left in the pipe can come out. Okay, so it looks like there's no more water left. Now we can go ahead and open it. So you have to turn this anti-clockwise. There you go. Okay, and then you can just loosen it by hand. Okay. Okay, if you look carefully, looks like we've got a crack here, which is why the water is actually leaking. Let me give you a closer look. Okay, if you look there, you'll see there's a crack on this fitting, which means we have to replace the whole thing. Okay, so before we go and replace this entire part, I'm going to see if I can just put a lot of plumber's tape to stop this leak. The crack is only here at the end, it doesn't go all the way through. So I'm hoping if I can put enough plumber's tape on the inside, it'll actually stop it from leaking. Okay, so the important thing about using plumber's tape is that you need to wrap the plumber's tape in the same clockwise direction that the tap is going to be screwed into. In that way, as you screw the tap in, it's going to tighten the plumber's tape. If you wrap the plumber's tape in the anti-clockwise direction, as you screw the tap in, it's going to unravel the tape. Okay, so first let's just clean up all the old tape that's on here. Let's get it all out. Okay, let's take our plumber's tape, and like I said, we want to wrap it around in a clockwise direction. Okay, so I put quite a few layers of this thing. It's nice and thick. Let's get it back in. So you want to start in the position that the tap's going to stop in. So we put it straight and then turn it. Okay, as I mentioned, as we turn in this clockwise direction, the plumber's tape should tighten around the tap. Okay, and just make sure it's nice and tight. Here we go. Okay, let's close this tap and turn on the water and see if it's worked. Okay, so we've switched the water back on. As you can see, the leak has gone. Let's open the tap. There we go. Okay, so I got lucky because I was able to just use some additional plumber's tape without having to replace the entire connector. Guys, if you liked the video, if you found it useful, please subscribe to the channel.